In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Coursera account, a simple yet essential step to unlocking a world of learning and development opportunities. Let's get started on this journey together. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Head up to the address bar and type in Coursera.org. This will take you directly to the Coursera homepage, where you'll find everything you need to begin your educational adventure. Upon arriving at the site, take a glance towards the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here you'll see a button that says Join for Free. Go ahead and click on that. Coursera has made signing up incredibly straightforward for your convenience. Once you click Join for Free, Coursera will prompt you with a few different options for signing up. You can choose to create an account using your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. There's also an option to sign up using your organization if that applies to you. If you decide to use your Google account, you'll simply need to choose which account you'd like to use. With just a click, Coursera will handle the rest, seamlessly creating your new account and directing you straight to your personalized homepage. And that's really all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you now have access to a host of courses and resources that can aid in your personal and professional growth. As you explore the Coursera platform, take some time to browse the wide array of courses available. Whether you're looking to dive deeper into your field of work, pick up a new set of skills, or simply learn something new for fun, Coursera offers a variety of options designed to meet your educational needs. Remember, the foundation of lifelong learning begins with your willingness to take that first step. So, congratulations on creating your Coursera account. Don't hesitate to dive in and start exploring new worlds of knowledge that are now at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process easy and stress-free for you. Happy learning.